For generational manufacturers, for generations, manufacturing has been one of the driving forces behind economic growth. Factories build the modern world, producing everything from automobiles and electronics to medical equipment and household appliances. Today, however, manufacturing is entering a completely new era. Artificial intelligence, robotics, automation, and advanced data analytics are transforming traditional factories into highly connected, intelligent production centers. This shift is reshaping global supply chains, changing labor markets, and creating one of the biggest investment opportunities of the decade. The concept of smart factory is no longer a vision of the future. Around the world, manufacturers are investing billions of dollars in technologies that allow machines to communicate with one another, predict maintenance needs, optimize production schedules, and improve quality control in real time. These innovations are helping companies reduce costs while increasing the efficiency and productivity. Artificial intelligence sits in the center of this transformation. Modern manufacturing facilities generate enormous amounts of data every second. AI systems analyze this information consciously, identifying patterns that would be impossible for humans to detect quickly. These insights allow factories to operate more efficiently while reducing waste and minimize downtime. Predictive maintenance has become one of the most valuable applications of AI in manufacturing. Instead of waiting for equipment to fail, intelligent systems monitor machinery around the clock, detecting early signs of wear of malfunction. Maintenance can be scheduled before costly breakdowns occur, saving companies millions of dollars each year. Robotics has also advanced rapidly, unlike earlier industrial robots that performed repetitive tasks in isolated environments. Today, collaborative robots, often called robots, can safely alongside human employees. These machines assist with assembly, packaging, inspection, and material handling while allowing workers to focus on more complex responsibilities. Automation is helping manufacturers to respond to labor shortages affecting many developed economies. And experienced workers retire and fewer young people enter manufacturing careers. Companies are increasingly relying on technology to maintain production capacity. Rather than replacing workers efficiently, automation is often filling positions that have become difficult to staff. Quality control has improved dramatically through computer vision powered by artificial intelligence. High resolution cameras combined with machine learning algorithms can inspect products at incredibly speeds, identifying microscopic defects that might otherwise go unnoticed. This improves product reliability while reducing waste and warranty costs. Supply chain management has become another major beneficial of digital transformations. Manufacturers now use AI to forecast customers' demand, optimizing inventory levels, and coordinate deliveries across complex international networks. These capabilities became especially important after recent global supply chain disruption demonstrated the need for greater flexibility and resilience. Digital twins are emerging as another part of innovation. A digital twin is a virtual model of a factory production line in individual machine that mirrors real-world operation in real time. Um, Engineers can simulate production changes, test new processes, and identify bottlenecks without interrupting actual manufacturing. The automotive industry has become one of the leaders in smart manufacturing. Electrics vehicle production requires advances automation, precision assembly, and sophisticated battery manufacturing processes. AI helps manufacturers improve production efficiency while maintaining strict quality standards. Semiconductor manufacturing represents another area where advanced technology is essential. Producing modern computer chips requires extraordinary precision. AI assists with process optimization, equipment calibration, and defect detection, helping manufacturers increase yields in one of the world's complex industries. Healthcare manufacturing is also evolving rapidly. Pharmaceutical companies use automation and AI to improve drug production, ensure regulatory compliance, and accelerate research. Medical device manufacturers rely on intelligent systems to maintain consistent quality while producing increasingly sophisticated equipment. Sustainability has become a major priority for manufacturers worldwide. Smart factories monitor energy consumption, water usage, and raw materials efficiently in real time. AI systems can recommend adjustments that reduce emissions and operate costs while improving environmental performance. Renewable energy is supporting this transition. Many manufacturers are investing in solar panels, battery storage, and energy management systems that help reduce dependence on traditional power sources. Intelligent software coordinates energy use to minimize costs during peak demand periods. Governments are encouraging industrial modernization, though incentives and investment programs. Many countries view advances manufacturing as essential for economic competitiveness, technological leadership, and national security. Public funding is supporting factory upgrades, workforce training, and research into next generation production technologies. The investment community has taken notice. Companies, production, industrial robots, automation software, sensors, semiconductor equipment, and AI-powered manufacturing solutions have attracted growing interest from institutional investors. Analysts expect spending on industrial automation to continue rising through the coming decade. Cybersecurity has become increasingly important as factories become more connected. Modern manufacturing facilities depend on digital networks, linking machines, suppliers, and customers across multiple countries. Protecting these systems against cyber attacks has become a top priority for both business and governments. This workforce itself is evolving. While some repetitive tasks are becoming automated, demand for skilled technicals, engineers, software developers, data scientists, and robotics specialists continue growing. Many companies are investing heavily in employee training to prepare workers for increasingly technology-driven production environments, and medium-sized manufacturers are joining the transformation as well. Cloud computing and more affordable automation uh, technologies have reduced the cost of adopting small manufacturing systems, allowing smaller businesses to compete more efficiently with larger corporations. Emerging economies are embracing advances manufacturing as part of broader industrial development strategies. Countries across Asia, Latin America, and Middle East are building modern production facilities equipped with the latest digital technologies, creating new opportunities for economic growth. Global competition is accelerating innovation. Manufacturers recognize that productivity improvements can determine long-term success in increasingly competitive international markets. Companies that fail to modernize risk falling behind rivals capable of producing goods faster, more efficiently, and at lower costs. Despite the opportunities, challenges remain. Upgrading factories requires sustained capital investment, and integrating new technologies with existing equipment can be complex. Businesses must also address cybersecurity risks, employee training, and evolving regulatory requirements. Nevertheless, the long-term outlook remains strong. Analysts believe artificial intelligence, robotics, and automation will continue to transform manufacturing across virtually every major industry. As technology improves, factories will become more autonomous, efficient, and adaptable than ever before. The rise of smart factories represents far more than a technological upgrade. It marks a fundamental shift in how production are designed, manufacturers are delivered to customers around the world. Intelligent production systems are improving efficiently while creating new opportunities for innovation and economic growth. For investors, manufacturers, and policy makers alike, the transformation offers enormous potential. The companies leading the industrial revolution are not only building the product of tomorrow, they are reinventing the factories themselves. Um,